Hi there, my name is Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. Do you know how to name your family members? If you don't worry. Keep on watching and you will find out it soon. Hi there, my name is Katie and this is my family. It's me. This is my mother. This is my father. They are my parents. This is my brother. This is my sister. They are my siblings. This is my grandmother. This is my grandfather. They are my grandparents. This is my uncle. He is my father's brother. This is my aunt. Their children are my cousins. Cousins. This is my family. This is my family tree. Let's repeat words together. It's me. This is my grandfather. This is my grandmother. This is my father. This is my mother. This is my sister. This is my brother. This is my uncle. This is my aunt. This is my cousin. This is my big family. I love my family. Now let's keep on practicing. Let's sing a family song. Prepare your fingers. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Father finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Excellent, good job! I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.